welcome back to WinFX Trading YouTube channel. This is the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. In this video, I'm going to open your eyes to the power of Patreon to becoming Forex millionaire trader. Okay, actually, I have launched my Patreon and it's waiting for people to start succeeding in Forex trading using my Patreon. You actually need to get insight, the deep insight, the inner calculus of forex analysis, technical analysis, how I produce signals that I release in my VIP group. So you will see how the signals are being produced live, and you will also trade it like you also trade those signals in real time. Okay, you will have access to my courses. You will have access to my courses on monthly basis. Like every month, you will be able to ask questions. You'll be able to go live with me, and you will learn a lot of things because every day I analyze the market. I have new ideas. So Patreon is what will help you to have access to the inner calculus of creator, to have access to the secret things that help a creator to succeed in what he's doing. So I'm a forex content creator, so I'm also a forex trader. In other words, if you really want to succeed in the same direction, you need to have access to the inner calculus, to the behind the scene content that I create. You need to have access to certain things that I don't upload on YouTube, but these are ideas that are very, very raw. Like you can hardly get it anywhere else. So you will learn the life, my lifestyle. You will learn my day-to-day analysis in the market. There are analyses that are not uploaded on YouTube. But if I'm analyzing a chart, if I'm doing analysis, if I'm trying to produce a signal, I will go live. My data is always on. My electricity is always on. I will go live. I will see the analysis. It will be uh like I'll be live 247 on the internet. That's what it is. That means from the one of a month, like from the first day of the month to the end of the month, anytime you wish to come online to view my analysis, to view a new idea, or to view a new course that I have uploaded, because I have several courses and all these courses will be uploaded to my patrons. If you are my patron, you will have access to them. That means you don't need to buy the course again. What the patron will help you to get is that you will have access to my course. You will have access to my personal forex analysis. You will see it live. Any day I'm analyzing chart, you will see it. You will have access to the signal that I produce after I have analyzed the chart. Then you will have access uh, to ask me any questions, you know, to chat with me on the Patreon. You will actually learn my own lifestyle. If you have been trading and you are losing, there is reason behind it. So you will learn from me why what make me to succeed, and you will have access to it. Is a kind of personal development, like is a kind of impartation. I will disciple you, I will impart my life in you, and you'll be doing the same thing I'm doing. And because I'm succeeding, you will succeed. That's what it is. That is the meaning of spectrum. Okay. Spectrum is like to become to learn from someone that is higher than you. And the learning is actually different from classroom level learning. Is a learning that has to do with learning somebody's spirit, like ideas, inner self, like the day-to-day activity of the person. A teacher can come up on a class and just write on the board, explain and go. What are other things that the teacher have that you don't have? So it's to being a patron. When you become a patron, you will have access to those things, because when I go live, you'll be watching. Okay, I will be on USD. I'll be doing analysis, you'll be watching. Why am I saying this? I'm saying, why am I putting this line? Why am I putting this zone? Why am I using this time frame? What actually made me to finally say this is going to be a buy or sell signal? So these are the things you will learn, the inner calculus of a creator's personal lifestyle of trading. Okay, so I think it's a good thing. It's a good uh is a good development that you should actually join. You should actually become a patron. You should actually become a patron. Okay, this is not a Telegram level something. It's not VIP signal service. This is like you are my disciple. We are learning every single part of my life, but in the area of trading, because our aim is to make money trading. So you are learning every single part. Once, instead of me to open a chat that I want to produce a signal that I'm going to share to the VIP in the Telegram group or channel, instead of me to just do it alone, I will make it live. You as a patron will see it. Other subscriber to my YouTube channel will not see it because they are not patrons. Or you as a patron, you are like night in the, let's say in a church, you are like daylight. We are is I don't know how I would put it. We are like secret members. You are like the people in the White House. You will know the secret. That secret that will make you to actually take small amount of money to a big amount of money, take small account to a big account. You will learn it because you are learning my life, you are learning the secret, you are learning the skill from me on daily basis, hour upon hour. Everyone will be notified once an event is going to happen. If I'm going live or if I'm going to upload a course like a pre-done video that you need to watch, you'll be notified and you go and watch it. Other people that are subscribed to my YouTube channel, other subscribers, they will not have access to it because they're not patrons. My Telegram group members will not have access to it. What I do in Telegram group or channel is I upload VIP signal to the VIP member, but they don't know how I produce the signal. They don't know how the patron platform has been designed so that you'll be able to view the actions, the behaviors of creators in real time, like you're using video technology, using live technology. So change your life today, become my patron, and you become rich. Thank you and bye for now.